Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Sabar.
Let's give a couple of minutes for others to join. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yesterday was about logical functions, right? So, what are the logicals? What are the logicals? Can you hear me?
What is the question, Sabar?
What is the logicals? What is the logicals?
True, false.
True, false, yeah. And based on these six comparison operator, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can get output. Out of these six comparison operator, first four will be working only on numbers, and last two on any data type. Yeah, we discuss about if condition, nested if, then we discuss about IFS, we discuss about and or operator. So what is difference between and okay, tell me what is nested if?
Applying if multiple times, if condition multiple times, more than two times.
Yeah, and what are the important points which we need to keep in our mind for nested if? You are telling me that more than two times, more than one time if condition. Yes, true. How many times we will apply if condition in nested if?
Two times.
Hmm? How
So
many
if
times we will apply the if condition in nested if?
how many?
How many times?
3 times, sir.
Why three times?
Uh, well, I'm telling about if only, sir. 3 times minus 1.
Not 3 times, output minus 1.
So
In this case, we had 4 output. That's what we applied 3 times. So the answer should be number of output should be more than 2. The number if condition will be output count minus 1. It's not 3. Always it won't be 3 always. Might be this case, it can be fail A, B, C, D, then fail. It can be 5 also, right? So then 5 minus 1, 4 times we will apply the if condition. And for nested if, we have to write the function in ascending descending order. Correct? This is what we discuss.
Yes.
Okay, and what is IFS function? IFS, it's
it depends on OR and AND function, sir. And we will use based on the less than or greater than criteria. Hello.
no IFS. Yeah, please carry on. Yeah, tell me, Sai.
We'll use only one time. I mean to say open and close brackets are only one time in one go.
Yes. IFS is a plural of if only. So whenever you are using, let's suppose in this case, you applied how many times if condition? 3 times. Instead of applying 3 times if condition, we can also use IFS. In IFS, only will apply IFS 1, open parenthesis 1 time, close parenthesis 1 time. Okay. But number of logicals, we have to write, let's suppose 4 time output, 4 time we have to write. Correct? What is AND and what is OR operator?
Logical.
Hmm. What is AND, what is OR? What is the definition for AND and OR? Tell me.
So you have
And
two outputs.
Yeah.
You're checking with two things. Then you'll use or. Example. So you have two subjects. If it is a pass or fail, you'll go with R.
The correct definition is AND condition. Every condition should be satisfied. Every condition with AND. Example,
okay.
you have 40% mark. Every subject you have to pass.
Mhm.
Every
Okay.
subject has to be true. With OR operator, either one of them. If either one of them is true, then true. Otherwise fail. Otherwise false. Got it? But with AND operator, every condition should be true only. Then only true, otherwise false. Example, true, false, false. False, true, false. True, true, true only. Wherein in OR operator, minimum one condition should be true. Let's suppose true, false, true only. False, true, 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 false, false, false. Got it? This is what we discussed. Now we'll discuss about information functions. Informations. What is the information? Information means it will talk about any kind of cell value, whatever written in the cell, about that it will tell me.
Your voice is not clear, sir.
Example, number, right? I'll ask to the system 21 is what? If I ask system that hello, is it better?
No, sir. We
1
are
minute.
not clear. It's breaking.
1 minute. Hello, is it okay now?
Yeah, better.
Okay. So information means like whatever we are writing in a cell. If you are writing a number, if you ask to the system that is it a number, it will give me yes, true, false. If it is a text, it will give me true, false. If it is a blank, it will give me a blank, yes or no. If it is an odd number, it will give me odd number. If it is an even number, it will give me even number. So whatever we are going to write in cell, based on that value, we will ask the system that whether my condition, whatever I'm asking to system, that is true or false. That is true or false. Okay. Let's suppose here I have written 21. I'm asking to system is even number, this number, is it even number or number?
Odd.
Result will be is even, false.
False.
Result is false.
False.
If I'm writing this number 22, now it is even number, right?
True.
True. See, true. Same thing here. Is odd. This number odd number, even number.
Even number.
Result is I'm writing number 3. True. I'm asking to system is number,
Yes.
is the number.
Yes.
Yes.
How about this? Is number?
No, it's a text.
It's a text, right? Because alignment which side? Left side.
Left side.
It's a text. Can you see here? Result is false. If I change this to smart tag, if I remove it, if I right side alignment this, still it's not a number. Why? Because see here, it's forcefully aligned to right hand side. I aligned is at a right hand side, forcefully aligned, but not a number. Because see here, it is into which format? Text format. If I change this into journal format or number format, now if I double click on this number, hit enter. Now it is true. Clear? Now it's a number. Let me apply Control Z. Control Z. Okay, done. Now, is text? Is it a text?
Yes.
Yes.
How about this?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Combination.
text?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, text.
Alphanumeric also text only, right? True only. Okay, true, false, we are getting it. But how about if I want to write some message? Let's suppose if this is even number. If this is even number, then tell me the message even number, otherwise odd number. This is what I want to write. Currently it is showing me true, false, true, false, true, false. But what I'm asking is, if I'm giving this function is even this number, yeah, result is true. But I want to write here if statement. If this number is even number true, then what do you want to write? Value of true. If this number is even is true, then write this message. Which message? Even number. Even number. Else
Odd.
odd. Yeah. Let's suppose I'm writing 21, odd number. Can you see the result? Odd number. 23, odd number. 22, even number. Same thing here. If I write here, it's text. Is it text? Yes, text. If it is a text,
Sir.
Hmm.
Okay. Your screen is not moving, sir.
Screen is not moving.
Yeah. Your voice is clear, but your screen is not moving.
Now where is my cursor?
Yes, right now equal to your cursor is after equal to. Right now it's okay.
It is okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is text yes? Then I'm asking if condition. If it's a text, then write this message, not a number. Is text, if it is true, not a number, yes. Else text or number. ABC, not a number. If I'm writing 1, 2, 3, number. It depends on us how we are writing this message. ABC. This NA name error is error. I'm asking system is error. True. True. If I'm saying NA is also true only, right? Now read this question. Read this question for me.
Check if we have a if we have a number in B4 cell, then find out the given number in cell B4 is odd or even number and print it in cell E4. If it is not a number, then print not a number.
So here I want to write B4 cell, nothing but this. If this number is not a number, give me the result as not a number. If this number is even number, result should be even number. If this number is odd number, result should be odd number. This is what I want to write. So can I ask, is text this one? False. Okay, then I'm going to write here. If it's text, then I'm writing not a number, value false. Then what I'm going to write here, if is even this number. If this number is even number, then give me
Even
number. Else
odd number.
now if I'm writing here A, B, C, what is the result there?
Not a number.
Number.
Not a number.
1, 2, 3. Result is
Odd number.
number 12. Result is
Even number.
result 1, 3.
Odd number.
Yeah. Now
Sir, if we put mix of ABC and 1, 2, 3,
mix of ABC 1, 2, 3 will be, what is this?
Alphanumeric.
Text.
Alphanumeric is
Text.
always text, right?
text.
On. So it will be showing you not a number. ABC 1, 2, 3. It's alphanumeric. Alphanumeric is not a number. It's a text only. That is not a number.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next is error. True, true, true. Same thing. Name division error. Okay. So if I'm writing here is error. True, true, true. Instead of is error, I'm writing is error. Is error is also same like is error, but the only difference is this. The last, can you see? For n,
Not applicable.
what is difference between is error and is error?
It comes from the system.
Is error, is error. The difference
Is
between is error and
number.
is NA is error doesn't work on NA. That's it. Clear? Yeah? Clear, not clear?
Sir, can you explain once again, sir?
Is ERR or is error? Is error works on every error. Is ERR works on every error except
N.
hash NA. That's what showing me false.
Sir, can you please define that name div and na? What is the message refers to?
Sorry?
So hashtag NAME question is there, right, sir? So when do we get that type of errors?
Hash NA, it will be like kind of VLOOKUP error. VLOOKUP, whenever you're applying VLOOKUP function, if you do not find any value, that time it will be showing you not applicable, not available.
Yes, sir.
That time it will be showing an error.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yesterday I
show
also
you
did the formula, sir.
Sorry?
So this is Bhargav. Yeah, actually yesterday I had done with the formula, sir. So after applying the wrong only, automatically it has shown name, sir, like hash name something.
Correct.
Yeah.
Error types we'll discuss here. All the error types. What kind of error it is, we'll discuss here. Okay. But in order to respond to your question, when do we get this any error? Any error will be getting it. Let's suppose if you are searching employee IDs. Out of 100 employees, you do not find one employee ID. In that case, it will be showing you not applicable or not available that time. Okay. Next is, see if it is a blank, right? So if I'm asking to system, is blank this cell blank, not blank? Result will be
True.
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 I'm asking to system, result is false. Why? Here true, here false. Why? Do you see any
Space is
value?
there.
Space.
Space.
Please
What
use
is the
it.
value?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
Okay.
3.
1, 2, 3.
It is not
1, 2,
showing.
3. Sir,
Not-
text. Sir, text is in white color.
Can you see here font color? What is the font color?
Oh,
Yellow.
look at this. One second, sir. I forgot this.
Font
Yeah.
color red,
Red.
Red.
fill color yellow. Why it is not visible?
I forgot.
Grid lines.
No. The first class we taught.
What
Grid
is grid?
lines are not available.
What is the grid line logic here? I don't understand. I'm talking about the 1 to 3 point line. It's not about grid line.
It's in customized one, sir.
Exactly.
I
Custom.
didn't remember.
Yes.
Control 1. Control 1.
Control 1 and check there.
Okay.
Suppose here I'll check here control 1. I'll check here. Can you see three semicolons?
Dots. Semicolons.
That's what not visible. I told you, right?
Yeah, first class we had this.
3 semicolons. Put it. Whatever you will write, it will not be visible. In formula bar, it will be visible, but not in display value. That's what's showing me false. Now the question here is, check the employee ID. If blank, then show enter ID, else thank you. Now, if it is a blank, what is the message you are getting? Enter ID. If I'm writing 1, 2, 3,
Thank you.
if I'm giving blank,
Enter ID.
if I'm giving A, B, C, 1, 2, 3,
Thank you.
blank, enter ID.
Enter ID.
How I wrote this message, nothing but is blank. First I'm asking is blank. This cell is blank. Result is true. Then I am applying if statement here. If it is a blank, if it is a blank, if it is a blank, put the cursor in the end. Value if true. If it is a blank, what do you want to write?
Enter ID.
Enter ID. Else,
Thank
thank you. If it is not a blank, then thank you. See here. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. ABC. Thank you. Blank. Enter ID. Okay. Now see here. If it is a blank, what is the message you are getting?
Please enter ID.
Right.
Okay, I'm entering ID ABC. Result is
ID should be numbers only.
okay. 1, 2, 3. Result is
Number should have 6 digits.
okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Result is
ID should be numbers only.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Result is
Number should have 6 digits.
okay. Then I am entering the 6-digit number. Done. Result is
Thank you.
this message I want.
More than 6?
More than 6. If I'm entering
Okay.
nothing but these are the conditions. If it is blank, message should be this. If it is not a number, message should be this. If len is not equal to 6, not equal to 6 means it should be equal to 6 only, not less than 6, not more than 6. Then message should be this. If everything is okay, result should be thank you. Got it?
Yeah.
Now I'll start from here. If it is a blank, then what message?
Please enter ID.
Please enter ID.
I'll start with if is blank. One minute, let me start here. No, sorry. If is blank, value this.
Please enter ID.
Then this message, comma. Again, if is text, this message should be
ID should be number only.
comma. If len of this,
Not
len of this is not equal to 6, then message should be
Number should be only 6 digits.
else.
Thank you.
Thank you. Choose this. Close parenthesis. Now you see here. How many times open parenthesis? 1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2, 3 closed. Now 1, 2, 3. ID should have 6 digit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A number only. Okay, 6. Thank you. Try with this exercise. Okay.
Sir, this is nothing but a validation, na?
It's not validation. Validation is kind of like drop down, right? Can you see in drop down here?
No.
It's a formula based on condition.
No, in case of password, in case of email ID, in case of mobile number, right?
Correct. Yes.
It is nothing but we can say it is validation. Am I right or wrong?
Validation, in that sense, yes, validation, correct.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. If I'm writing here, is non-text, result will be
True.
true only. Is non-text means number only, right? It's true only.
Number.
It's not text, yeah. Number equal to non-text. Yes. Definition is non-text for number is equal to non-text. Yeah. Is blank, is number, is logical. If I'm asking the system is logical, this one true false. True false is what? Logical, right? True. Or I can also write like this. Is logical. I'm writing 10 is greater than 5. Logical only, right?
Yes.
True. Is error, is error. The difference between is error and is error is what?
Is error can apply on everything. Is error can be applied on hash diff.
Everything except not available.
Hash NA, right?
Yes.
Is error. Is error works on every error. Is ERR. Is ERR doesn't work on any. That's it. Now is NA. If I'm asking the system is NA, this error is NA. Is NA, this error. Yes. Is NA error. True. Is reference. Is reference. Tell me. Is it reference?
No.
Hmm?
Manual.
Correct. This is a manual. Yes, this is not a reference. False. How about this?
Reference.
Reference, because B38 is reference. Yeah, true. Any question on this? Is reference?
No.
Is even is odd completed info. What is info? If I write here info function, info. Can you see so many options are showing here? Directory, num file, origin, OS, operating system version, recalc, release, system. If I choose this operating system version, this one, which window I have in my system? I have Windows 10. Can you see? 64-bit Windows 10 I have.
Yes, sir.
Operating system. If I say info of directory of this file, directory of this file is this. If I want to write info of num file means number of active worksheets in open workbook. Currently, how many open workbook is there in my system?
1.
Only one workbook open, but worksheet how many?
Number of.
If I choose this num file, it will tell me in this workbook how many sheets I have, like one, text, date and time, logicals, information. These all are worksheets. Total how many?
21.
21.
21.
21. You can count it from here. All are 21. Okay, let me open one more workbook. Control N. In this workbook, how many sheets? How many sheets? One, right?
1.
Now 21 plus 1, how many?
22.
22.
So I'll refresh this formula. I'll double click on this or I'll hit enter key here. Enter. Now result is
22.
it calculates the number of worksheets in all the open workbooks. Currently, how many workbook open?
2 outputs.
2. 21 in this and 1 in this. So total result is
22.
yeah. Now cell. Now if I ask about this function, cell function. What is cell function? Address, column, color, contents, file name, format, parenthesis, prefix, protect. If I say address, what is cell address?
B47.
58.
Because I am on P47 now. Error type, error dot type. This error dot type means this function is see, these are the definitions. If you are choosing division by 0, if I choose this, result will be 2.
True.
Some numbers defined for this array type. If I choose name error, result will be 5. If I choose NA, result will be 7.
7.
If I choose NA, NA is for what? How number is?
7.
7.
This function is important. N function is very, very important. I will tell you. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. True, false. Yeah, true, false. Okay. Value of 1, 2, 3 is what? 1, 2, 3 only, right? Value of 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3 only. What is the value of ABC? I can check the N function. N, value of this. Always remember, text value is always 0. Remember this. I'll again ask this question to you. Okay. Always text value is what? 0. Remember this. N of true. N of true is what? What is the default value of true? Is 1. What is default value of false? 0.
0.
Remember these 3 things. Okay, I'll ask again because there is one formula wherein.
Sir, one question, sir.
Sir,
if ABC is in text, then why don't it taken as true, false as an 0?
Which one? No, true, false is logicals, right?
Okay, so if I type manually true and false, will still it is taken as logical?
Enter the line, logical only, yes.
Okay.
True, false, true default value 1, false default value 0, ABC default value 0. Remember this, text value always 0, true value is 1, false value 0. Remember this, okay? N function I applied it, okay? NA, nothing but I can write NA. NA, if you want to write this hash NA error, then you can type in equal symbol NA and then parenthesis start, parenthesis closed. Type, what is type? Data type. See, returns an integer representing the data type of value number. For number, result is 1. For text, result will be 2.
2.
Logical value 4.
Error
Error value is 16.
16. Error is 16.
So type. If I'm choosing any number, result will be
1.
1.
Let's suppose type value this. If I'm choosing any text, result will be 2. Okay.
It shows the data type, right?
Where it is used, sir?
Sorry?
So we got the 2 and 1 like that, right? So where we use, sir?
No, I'll tell you one thing, guys. Every
Scenarios.
function, whatever I'm telling you, it's not necessary that we will be using that. If I talk about myself, I have never ever used array types, any function, type functions. No, never. But good to know. Okay, good to know. Now, let's suppose in this sheet, I have worked on in this file, and I have closed the file. Tomorrow, one of your colleagues, they have opened the file and they have changed some number. They have changed some number. You don't know what changes made and in which cell, and in which cell they change the number. I can find it out easily. What I'll do is I'll apply the function. The function is cell address E67, and here I will apply same function.
Sure.
Before this, I'll apply one more function that is called indirect function. Parenthesis close. Now let me write it here. 1, 2, 3. Which cell I touched? Which cell I touched?
F70.
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 Cell here.
E67.
70.
I touch F70, right? What is
Yeah.
the cell?
E67.
E67.
And what I wrote?
70.
123. I wrote 123 right here. 123 showing. You can put these two formulas, this formula and this formula, in any of the sheet and just hide it. Then you can check it. Okay, tomorrow, yesterday, someone changed some value, and the value is touch in this cell F70. But see, it will be showing only in one cell. If you are just checking, okay, someone has changed some 100 values in 100 cells, no, it will not. It will only showing the last touch cell. That's it. Then you got a question. Okay, then how can I know that who touched this file? Right? That is also possible. But as of now, this is okay, right? Cell address, and here which function I applied? With
Indirect.
cell address, I applied indirect function. That's it. If I write here, let's suppose if I write ABC. If I write ABC here, ABC, which cell I touch?
I70.
I71. And what I wrote?
ABC.
If I write here, let's suppose 10,000. Which cell I'm on? J74. J74 touch, and what value I wrote?
10,000.
10,000. Now let me save and close it. Save and close it. This is the file I touched it. Right click on this file. Properties. Properties and go with details. Last saved by my name. This is how you can check. This person made changes in this file, and after opening that file, you get to know that okay, this cell was touched and this was the value entered in that file. Clear?
Means sir in Google Sheet,
Google Sheet I'm not sure. I don't
if
use
it is
Google.
shared file, we can see the last edited by, right?
Yes, in Google Sheet also, yes.
Okay.
Google Sheet also you will find that okay, this person touched the file. It will be showing the name there.
Yes, so last edited by.
Yes. But guys, this Google Sheet is not so user friendly, I'm telling you, because it's very limited. Google Sheet. Each and every function will not work there. I never use Google Sheet. Okay, good. Now this exercise I will not let you know today. Okay. This exercise will be covering it once we cover these two tabs. This tab, statistical, okay. Now error types. When we get this name error, when we are writing wrong spelling, correct? Value error. If you are adding nm2 plus a, result will be values. nm2 plus a, result will be values. Reference error will be like, you know, if you are adding, let's suppose if you have add some number, and after that you are just changing that cell value from number to text. Currently it is showing me E3, nothing but this plus REF. Why it is showing REF? Earlier, let's suppose this REF, it used to be this. Result is 63. But now this 38, let's suppose I have made it to ABC. Now it is showing me value error. Which error? Value. But at times what happens is that if some reference will be changed in the formula, some reference you have taken, In that case, it will change into reference error. Division by 0. If you are dividing any number by 0, 10 divided by 0, error will be 10 division by 0. This error, when you are getting this error, if you don't have enough space within the cell, then it will be error. It will pop up this error. Null error. I'm adding sum of D6 to D6 and G6. What is missing here?
Comma.
Comma.
Semicolon. If you're taking a range, suppose taking a range, sum of these 4 numbers, what you are seeing here between?
Semicolon.
Colon.
If I remove this semicolon from here, what is the error you're getting? Null error. An error means not available error. Basically, we are getting it into HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP functions. Index match, HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, not applicable, not available. Good to know only this, all the error types. Statistical functions. Okay. So far, we were applying all the functions in same sheet. Logical. I applied the function in same sheet with same value. Same sheet, nothing but I was referring this column and I was getting this result. I was referring these 3 columns and I was getting this result. I was getting these 2 columns and I was getting this result, right? But here now, by the way, no one pasted this exercise yesterday. I asked you guys to practice. No one practiced and no one submitted it. I asked you to practice on combined function, the last one. May I know the reason, please?
I didn't get a chance, sir. I'll do it.
Sir, today I will do it, sir. Today I'll do it and I will submit to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Statistical function. Statistical function means like average, max, min, right? Large, small, count blank, count X. Okay, this function we'll discuss now. But with different sheet data. This time I will be using this sheet. Let me just put into nearby this tab only. I'll put it here. Now, if I ask you what is the net salary average of net salary, if I just select this column and if I look at here, what is the average net salary?
31705.
31705.
31,700. This average, I want to get it with the help of formula. And by the way, if you guys do not see these kind of calculations in your system, don't worry, just right click on it. You'll finding all these options available here. Let's suppose I do not want to see average, let's untick this. I do not want to see count, untick it. Min, max, sum. I want to add average again, average and count, right click again, average and count. It's visible. Okay. Now the same average I want to get, but with the help of a formula. With the help of a formula that I want. Question is this. Average net salary from dataset sheet. What I will do, I'll apply average function. Average of, okay, tell me, limited, unlimited?
Unlimited.
Unlimited.
And my number 1, 2, 3 numbers are these. These are the numbers selected. I'm selecting from different sheet. Okay. Can you check here? Because I applied function statistical sheet
Data
and
sheet.
data from this sheet, right? Close parenthesis. Same result. 3170706 31705.88. Nothing but round off. Round off okay कितना है 706 706. If you want to see exact figure, same 31705.88. Same result here. Done. Then what is average if?
If average is
Then what is average if? Average I got it. Okay, done. Average if. Average if nothing but with condition. Here no condition is there. Simply average of all data set. Here my condition is what? Read this question.
Average is the
Average
net of managers,
What is the criteria here?
net salary,
Net salary of
managers.
manager is the criteria. Nothing but in this list. Where is the manager? Just tell me their net salary average. Tell me how many managers in this list?
4.
4.
4.
4 numbers.
1, 2, 3. And their net salary is this number 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. What is the total of, sorry, average of these 4 numbers?
26560.
This number I want because average of manager's net salary that I want. In that case, if you have any condition, then we will apply which function?
Average if.
Range, criteria, average range. Tell me how many arguments?
3.
3 arguments.
Three arguments. Range, comma, criteria, comma, average range.
Range is from dataset sheet.
Data sheet.
Range, criteria, average range. Now don't get confused with range and average range. Range and average range is what? See, average range. Can you do an average of text? Any names? No. Can you do an average of numbers? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So range means this range. In this range, guys, just remember if you're selecting from headers, select from headers, this column also and next column also. If you're not selecting from headers, remember that you are selecting each and everything from same place. But choosing from headers, next column also I'll select from headers only, okay? In this range is this. After this range, what is I have to apply?
Criteria.
After this range,
Comma.
comma, done. Now where is my cursor?
Criteria.
Criteria.
What is my
Criteria.
criteria?
Manager.
Is it
Manager.
okay to write like this? Is it okay to write like this, manager?
No, sorry.
Double quotes you have to.
Double quote.
Double quote. Comma, average range. Average range of what?
Net
Sorry.
salary.
Net salary.
So
Double
you
quote.
have to select from here only. I told you, if you're selecting designation from the headers, it has to select from header only. C1, nothing but this. G1, nothing but starting. Now close parenthesis. Result is
26,560.
same thing, right? See, 4 numbers. Average is what?
26,000.
6,260.
Same result.
Yes.
Okay, tell me which input way? This one? Which input way? How many input ways we have?
3
MRF.
types, sir.
3. MRF, right?
MRF.
This is manual, right?
Manual.
Yes.
Yes.
I remove this and I'm choosing like this, is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Same method. But this way is what type of input way it is?
Ref-
Reference. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can also choose like this. Done. Now, average, nothing but without condition. Average if one condition. What is average ifs? Then
Multiple.
Multiple ifs, more than one ifs condition.
more than one. More than. Read this question.
Average net salary of managers where the basic salary is greater than 10,000.
Okay, remember this. Average net salary of manager. First criteria manager, where the basic salary is greater than 10,000. Okay, now let's go back to this data set. Tell me how many managers
3.
basic salary is greater than 10,000. Tell me.
3.
3.
3. 1, 2, and 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because my criteria, first criteria was manager. Yes. Second criteria was if their basic salary is greater than 10,000. It means this one, this one, this one. It means this line, this value, this line, this value, this line, this value. Nothing but average of these three number is how much? 33K. 33K. 33,333. This result I want. I'll go here and I will apply averages. Average range. Tell me,
Data set.
average range will be?
Data set
Data set, okay, then?
starting from the designation header.
No. No.
Net salary.
Basic salary.
Basic salary. Starting.
No. No. Net salary. Because what I want to do, I want to take an average of what?
Average.
Average.
Net salary.
Net salary, yes, choose it. Mama, criteria range 1. Criteria range.
Manager.
This is my range. In this range, what is my criteria?
Basic salary is greater than 10,000.
Guys, go with the flow. In this range, what is my criteria? I'm selecting
Managers.
Manager.
criteria range 2, basic salary. Now, in this range, what is my criteria?
Greater than or equal to 10,000.
Not equal to, guys. It is greater than 10,000 only. It is not there.
Okay.
Now, if I'm writing greater than 10,000 like this, it will not be accepted because this will be considered as a text only. It should be in double quote. Remember this. Because I'm using the symbol, right? Now hit same result. Yeah. Now let's suppose I want to know not about manager. I want to see for tester. 17,500. You can check it. Tester. More than 10. More than 10. Nothing but single line. This one. I want to know for DB. Let's suppose. Designation DB I want to know. I will change it. I will change from tester to
DB.
DB. Result is 27916.67. DB is here. More than 10,000 basic salary. This line, all three. Nothing but this, and this. Result is 27916. Result is same. Done. Okay. Now, max of net salary. Who is getting maximum salary? Net salary in this range. Who's getting 98,000 is the maximum net salary in this range. If you know right function, can you write what is the opposite of right function?
Left.
Correct. If you can write max function, can you write min function?
Yes.
Now tell me, I want to get second largest number in this range. Who is getting second largest net salary? The maximum salary 98,000. I want to know who is the second one, second person, second one, second.
57.
Tell me, how can I get it? Which function I'll apply? How can I get the second largest number? Function name is? Function name is large. How many arguments?
2.
What is array?
Range of number.
Array is the range. In this range, put a comma. What is K?
Condition.
No. What is K? If it is asking in syntax K, what you can give? If it is asking in syntax as K, what you can give?
Numbers.
Numbers.
Input data type, number, index, K, num, X, Y, N. If you see these, any of these in syntax, then what you can give?
Number.
If it is asking you range, array, cell reference, what you can give? Reference. That's what I did it, right? That's what the same thing I did it. I asked, what is array? You told me range, reference, right? Correct? Large. Array. Array is what? Range, reference.
Range.
Comma, what is K?
Number.
Number.
Which is the second largest number I want to know? Second means number 2. Yeah, second is what?
Number.
Number 2. What is second largest number? 57. If I want to know third largest number, then I will change this number to
3.
If you know left function, you can write right function. If you know max function, you can write min function. If you know large function, you can write which function? Guys, 10th में इंग्लिश में पढ़ा हुआ अपन ने
Small.
opposite antonyms पढ़ा था ना अपन ने?
Yes, sir.
Well, I will not let you know. You can write it as well. I will not let you. Okay, count, count a, count blank, count if, wildcard match, wildcard count. Okay, let me discuss this. Let me say count, and my range is this. Yes, this is my range. Tell me result of this function will be, I'm applying count and then this is my range. Tell me result of this formula will be. Guys, wrong answer also accepted. Sorry?
10.
10.
Yes, sir.
10, huh?
10 or 12.
10 or 12.
12.
Okay, 10
12.
or
12, sir.
Result will be in this case. Count function. Read it here. What is this?
It counts only numbers.
Only numbers it will do.
Okay. count function will be count only number, even though I have selected this range. In this range, I have
7, sir.
in this range I have 2 blanks, I have 3 text and 7 numbers. It means result will be only numbers. It counts only number. Count A for all. Count all, A for all. Count all. Counts everything except blank cells. If I write this function count A, counts everything except blank. Tell me result will
10.
10.
10.
10. Okay, let me write here. Now tell me result of that will be
11.
11.
I'm saying 7.
11.
11, sir.
11, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Count A counts everything except blank. Result is blank. Count blank means
Counts only blanks.
tell me result of this.
6.
6.
6.
6.
In this range, there are 6 blank cells. Result will be 6. Excellent. Count if. Okay, tell me what is average and average if?
Average.
For
of
average, no
Means
condition will work. No?
yes, sir.
Average if condition will work.
One condition, right?
Yes.
Same thing. Count and count if. Same thing. Count without condition, count if.
With condition.
With the condition.
Now find out the count of managers. Find out the count of manager. Count if. How many arguments?
2.
2.
Range and criteria. Range and criteria. In this range, criteria is what?
Manager.
Manager.
How many managers? 4 managers, right?
Yeah.
Check there. How many managers in this range?
4.
4.
4 managers. Yeah. What is difference between average, average if, and average ifs?
No condition, one condition, multiple conditions.
Exactly. No condition, one condition, multiple condition. Same thing here. No condition, single condition, multiple condition. Now, what is the condition? Write it here for me.
Find out the count of managers who have at least 10,000 basic salary.
It means greater than 10,000 basic salary. Yes or no? At least बोले तो क्या होगा इसमें बोलो? Equal
Greater
to.
than or equal to.
Got it. It will be greater than equal to. At least means 10,000 means greater than equal to. Now I'll write here count it. Criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is this. In this range, what I'm looking for?
Managers.
Manager. Comma. Criteria range 2. This range. Comma. What is the criteria?
Greater than or equal to 10,000.
Result is
3 members.
you can check it manually. Managers here greater than equal to 10,000 basic salary 1, 2, and 3. Okay, what if I just change this number to 15,000? Result will be now
4 members.
4.
check there. It will be 4. If I change this back to 5,000, it will be
3.
3. Done. Okay, how many of you have a credit card?
I have.
Me, sir.
Okay, if you know the credit card statement generation date, might be it can be 5th of every month or 16th of every month or 8th of every month, right?
Yes.
Happens.
Yes.
So on that particular day, you might be receiving receiving one message from the bank or email from the bank. If it is a message, then you will be getting a message like this: "Dear customer, your credit card statement has been generated," or your credit card number ending with 1234 statement has been generated. Total due amount is this, minimum due amount is this, due date is this. We would request you to maintain your sufficient balance in your bank account on a due date. Getting this kind of message?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ending with. So they are telling like ending with. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing but ending with 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If I'm writing like this, it means begins with.
1,
Yes.
2.
Okay. If I'm writing like this, what does it mean? Ending with
Yes.
Yes.
S. If I'm writing like this, means
Starting with
Starting with S.
if I'm writing like this,
middle.
Yes.
middle or contains.
Okay.
Contains means anywhere S. It's not about middle. It can be beginning, it can be middle, anywhere. Nothing but contents S. Contents S. It can be Saurav. It can be. mm Tell me any names ending with S. Paras. It can be Paras. It can be Saurav. It can be. mm, It can be any name. Middle. Any name, right? Contents S. Anywhere. But look at here. Now, the wildcard count. What I want to count here? Read the question.
Name starting with S.
That I want to count. Name starts with S. Count if range. My range is this. In this range, what is the criteria? Start with
Yes.
S.
any question. Why double quote?
Manual reference.
Manual, and it is a text, right? Parenthesis close. How many names starts with S?
2.
2.
And check it here.
Suresh
One
Scanner.
side.
Sai.
What about if I want to know names ending with S then?
Keep the asterisk in front of us.
Yeah, and remove this S from here. Ending with S. You can count
3
it.
members.
Ending with S, count it. James,
Jones,
Jones,
Andrews.
Andrews.
and I want to know contents with S. Then both the sides start, right? Both the side asterisk.
Yes.
8 names. How many names?
8.
8 names.
8 names which contains S. Contains S means anywhere. Middle or beginning or second place, third place, or in the end. But look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Done? 8 names.
If we have multiple SSs in the same name,
Multiple?
S.
हाँ तो मल्टीपल एस भी है ना यहाँ पे. अब चलो मैंने ये कर दिया विलियम्स स्मिथ कर दिया मैंने, तो भी आएगा ना वो तो.
Okay.
Still we consider, but it will be considered as single only. Still it will be S 8 only. It will be 8 only. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay, rating is always higher is good or lower is good. Rating. If you are
High.
going to buy a product in Amazon or Flipkart, what are you checking?
Low price.
Right.
low price. Okay, how about others? Only low price. How about, okay, if you're getting something in, let's suppose 800 wala item in 500, but rating is very bad, then will you go for it? Will you buy it?
No.
No.
No, we check the
Then
rating first.
rating first, yes. Okay, in rating also, again, I have one question. In rating, let's suppose there's one product, price wise okay, and 5%, sorry, 5 people they have given the rating, nothing but rating 5, 5 reviews. In another product, the rating is 4, but rating wise 3,000 people they have given the rating. Which will you prefer, the first or second one?
Second one.
Second.
Why
Second.
second one?
More.
More reviews. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
वो हो सकता है कि 5 बंदे जो फर्स्ट वाले प्रोडक्ट में 5 बंदे दे, उसके खुद के रिलेटिव हो, उसकी बहन हो सकती है, उसका भाई हो सकता है, उसका फादर मदर हो सकते हैं, होता है ना ऐसा। अपन खुद भी बोलते हैं कि भाई मेरे को रेटिंग अच्छा दे दे तू, करते हैं ना ऐसा, राइट?
Yeah.
How
Yes.
about the class? How about the class? If let's suppose there are 100 students in the class, someone is getting 100 marks and one is getting 50 marks. Rank wise, rank is always 10 is good or rank 1 is good?
Rank one.
Rank 1.
1.
Rank 1 is good, right? But that rank I want. Rank, number, comma, reference. Number, I want to get this number, comma, reference, the entire, comma, the reference will be the entire range. I need to freeze the range. Why I need to freeze the range? Because I will drag down the formula. Yeah,
Yes.
freeze the range, done. Now, done, and double click. 100 marks, which rank?
First rank.
First
1.
rank.
99,
2.
98.
3.
बट क्लास में ऐसे बच्चे भी होते हैं, कॉलेज में तुमने सुना होगा कि भाई तुम्हारा कौन सा रैंक आया, तो वो बोलते हैं भाई मेरा तो क्लास में फर्स्ट रैंक है। बोले, कैसे? बोले, नीचे से। रहता ना ऐसे भी बंदे,
Hmm.
दे विल टेल यू, नो टॉप से नहीं भाई, बॉटम से फर्स्ट रैंक अपना। बोले कैसे? बोले मेरे भाई नंबर 20 आए क्लास में, तो अपना फर्स्ट रैंक है क्लास में, नीचे से फर्स्ट रैंक, ऊपर से नहीं। रहता है। इसमें क्या है, 100 नंबर, 100, 99, 98, 101, 99, 2, 98, nothing but descending order, yes or no? 100, 99, 98, descending order, right?
Yeah.
By default descending, but if you look at here, if I'm removing this, what is the last argument? Optional, right?
Yeah. Order.
Argument optional, comma, descending, ascending. If I go with ascending order, now you see, now rank will be changed. अब जिसके सबसे कम मार्क्स है वो बंदा फर्स्ट रैंक पे है भाई, देखो 31 वाला फर्स्ट रैंक पे आ गया, 100 वाला बेचारा 10 पे आ गया। गॉट इट?
Yeah.
असेंडिंग बोले 35, उसके बड़ा नंबर सेकंड
Yeah.
रैंक, उससे बड़ा नंबर 98, उससे बड़ा नंबर 54। क्लियर? रैंक फंक्शन।
Yeah.
Okay, tell me result of this. I want to know this result. Tell me, get text count from this range. And by the way, tell me how many text is there in this range?
3.
3.
That 3 I want. Tell me how can I get it? Apply the logic and tell me.
Count if function.
Count if function. Okay, count if, then what you will write? Count if, then what is your criteria?
Count if,
I can write count if. Okay, let's suppose count if. The criteria, range criteria. This is my range. Now, comma. What is the criteria? Criteria is text only, yes, but how will you write the text?
In comma, in double commas, we have to mention the here. Okay.
Tell me. Okay, there are two buckets. Bucket one. Well, let's suppose only one bucket. In this one bucket, you have total fruits, 10 fruits. How many?
10 fruits.
10 fruits.
10.
And 10 fruits में कितने types के fruits हैं? 2 types. How many?
2 types.
2 types.
If I tell you 5 are bananas. Okay. Other fruit is orange. Tell me how many left?
5 oranges.
5 oranges, right? 5 oranges. Correct? Total how many? 10.
10.
अब 10 में से मैं तुम्हारे को बोल दिया कि 5 बनानाज है एंड 2 टाइप्स के फ्रूट्स हैं और सेकंड जो फ्रूट टाइप वो ऑरेंज है तो बाकी रिमेनिंग क्या हो गए 5 ऑरेंजेस हो गए राइट करेक्ट नाउ यू टेल मी हाउ कैन आई गेट टोटल which function I will use so that I will get total 10 here which function I will use which function counts everything except blanks tell me function name
Count A.
If.
Is text.
count a
If.
Count.
Yeah. Count.
tell me the function which count only number
Count.
count excellent what I will do is I will say total fruits count a okay total fruits count a
Okay.
minus मैं काउंट कर रहा हूँ बनानास को तो किसका फंक्शन लगाया काउंट एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ ठीक है काउंट काउंट विल काउंट ओनली numbers total 10 minus 3 result will be sorry 10
Seven.
minus no 10 minus 7 sorry count
3.
only counts number
3.
right got it
Yes, sir.
get text count this is how you can do count a minus count yes this is interesting I told you that in information from functions please remember this now tell me 0.25 default value will be for this 0.25 only right because this is number yes or no
Yes.
ABC default value is what
0.
0 I can prove it with the help of this function and function I can prove it what is default value of 0.05 same only right yes or no
Yeah.
same true default value is what
1.
this value is default value is what
0.22.
122.
now let's look at here I want to know count of this range tell me result of this
Count 6.
counts only
4, sir.
4, sir.
counts count only number result is 4 now tell me count a counts everything right result will be
6.
6.
min tell me result of this
0.22.
22.
0.22.
minimum 0.22 yes 0.22 yes min a count a min a
1.
Minimum all.
Ah, considering everything, nothing but if you consider this, then it will be considering ABC also true also in A. It means in this range, what is the minimum value?
Zero
Tell me.
point 22. 22.
Minimum value will be this guy is ABC, right?
Okay.
That's what I wrote the number here 0. Minimum value will be 0.
AB.
0 will be 0. Min A will be working on every data type. And in every data type, if it is ABC default value is 0. Now tell me max. Which of this will be?
1. No. 0.90.
90.
Ah.
90.
Now max A,
1.
excellent.
Oh,
Max A will be 1. Why 1? Because true, right?
All.
Ah. Small, large, you can do it. Average A. What is the average? I can understand average you cannot count like manually, but average will be considered only 1, 2, 3, and 4 numbers.
oh,
Result is
0.47.
2, 3, and 4. Result is 0.47, 0.47. How about average A? Average A, everything, right?
All.
It means this number,
0.25.
this. Nothing but values of this. Result is
0.78. 47.
0.478.
average. Average A. Average. If I select this one, see the result.
0.47. Yes, sir. Got it.
Clear? Last but not the least. Rating 1, 5, 1000. Rating 2, 2000. Rating 3, 3000. Increasing of number 1, increasing of 1000 numbers. You might have studied in your degree. Regression correlation. Right? Relation. Array 1, this number. Array 2, this number. The correlation between these two arrays is what? 100%. Why 100%? Number 1, 1000. Number 2, 2000. Increasing of 100% in this range, 100% in this range. That's what correlation is 100%. Same thing if you look at here. Rating 2, 3000. Rating 1, 4000. Rating 3, 4000. It's not increasing. See here 1, 4000. 2, decreasing. 3, same, like 1 only. It means the correlation is not perfect. Array 1 is this, comma array 2 is this. It's not 100% correlation. It's a how many percentage? 20%. Please practice on statistical functions. Tomorrow we'll discuss about mathematical functions. In mathematical, I will not let you know these three functions. You need to practice on it because it's same like count, countifs, or average, if average ifs. You can work on it. डेटा सेट से तुम्हारे को लेना है, सम लगाना है, सम इफ लगाना है, सम इफ्स लगाना है. This three I will not tell you tomorrow. You need to practice on this, okay? If you're getting stuck, let me know. I'll explain you tomorrow. Then we'll discuss rest of the functions.
Yep.
Okay, guys.
Sir, tomorrow Friday, no, sir?
Tomorrow, Friday, and
Occasional festival. Yes, sir.
festival also there. Are you guys okay for tomorrow? Or, no, I think festival, na?
Yes, sir. Mahashivaratri is there, sir.
Yeah, because this time will be busy only, na? We'll go to temple. Okay, so
That's what asking.
let's meet on Monday, or by tomorrow evening. I'll send a message if you guys are okay for Saturday. We'll have it session.
Sure, sir.
Are you guys okay for like only for Saturday early session like 8:30 or 8 o'clock? Is it fine with you or no? Only Saturday, only for one day.
Saturday. Okay.
Not okay?
Yeah. Yes.
I'm
Okay.
fine.
By the way,
Saturday not possible, sir.
sorry.
Saturday not possible, sir. Sorry.
Okay, you have some plans?
Yeah, sir. My kid is having a parent teacher meeting. I need to attend school.
PTM.
Yeah, PT.
Okay, then not an issue, guys. We can meet on Monday only.
Okay.
Same time, 9:30. Okay. Meanwhile, please practice up to statistical functions.
Okay.
Okay then. Okay then. See you. Bye, guys, and happy
Bye.
Mahashivratri in advance.
Thank you,
Wish
sir.
you the same.
Wish you the same.
You should
Thanks.
say.
Bye.